Good morning, fourth graders. It is Friday, August 28th. We made it one full week of a 5-day school week. Awesome, awesome job. I hope you're not too tired. We have another homophone that we're going to go over today for our Grammar Keepers lesson. Yesterday we talked about its, it apostrophe s. Today we're going to look at its homophone twin, its, its. Please follow along with me as I read the A-B conversation. Go ahead and read the sentence. The computer was broken, but its monitor still worked fine. Yes, but wait, how did you spell its? I-T-S. You mean apostrophe S? No, no apostrophe. I think you should put an apostrophe. Not this time. Can you prove that for me? The computer was broken, but his monitor still worked fine. His monitor, its monitor, that's right. Perfect. All right, so the proof for its, I-T-S, without the apostrophe, is the word his. I should be able to substitute the word his in a sentence where I use I-T-S, and it will still make sense. So let's look at our example sentence. The computer was broken, but its monitor still worked fine. So now for its, I should be able to substitute his, and the sentence is still complete. The computer was broken, but his monitor still worked fine. This one's a little bit trickier than the others, so it's going to take a little bit of practice. And once we're able to prove this in our own personal writing, I think it will help a little bit. But just listen to this sentence one more time. The computer was broken, but its monitor still worked fine. And with the proof, the computer was broken, but his monitor still worked fine. All right, let's go ahead and track this on our Grammar Keepers tracking sheet. Let me minimize this for you and slide it over. All right, you have your writing notebook in front of you. Go ahead and turn to that back flap. If you have the tracking chart, it's, the word that we have today, is the fourth one down on the left side. So we had 2, 2, 2, and then we have its, I-T-S, without the apostrophe. And on the proof line, we are going to write the word his. If you do not have the tracking sheet, go ahead and turn to your grammar notes. It is the green divider. One extra page. All right, so our green divider, go ahead and turn that. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And remember, yesterday we had to flip the page, and we're writing directly on the back of that sheet. All right, so under the line, we are going to write Friday, August 28th, 2020. Our Grammar Keeper word today is its, I-T-S, no apostrophe today, remember. Our proof today, we have the word I-T-S. We should be able to substitute the word his, and our sentence will still be complete. And then our example sentence, this one's a little bit longer, so you may end up having to come down to a second line, and that's okay. Just make sure you leave enough space so that when you have to prove the word its, you have enough space right up above it on your notebook. All right, let's go ahead. The computer was broken. The computer was broken, comma, and I'm going to skip a line just so I have enough room here. But it's, remember, no apostrophe, monitor still worked fine. All right, so when I want to prove that I have used the correct form of a word, I want to underline that word. And today our word is its, I-T-S. And up above it, I'm going to write the proof. And the proof for my word today is the word his. So one more time, let's read these sentences. The computer was broken, but its monitor still worked fine. Its being the computer's monitor. Let's try it with our proof. The computer was broken, but his monitor still worked fine. All right, great job. Guys, you have 5 words that you are able to prove in your toolkit right now. Next week, we will start using these words to go back and edit some of those journal entries that we've made this week. I think once we start doing that, you're going to see how this is going to be super helpful in your writing, and you'll be able to check and see that you have probably already used some of these words correctly, but it's okay to go ahead and prove them. All right, go ahead and write a line underneath Friday's work. We should have some room down there for Monday, but we'll worry about that on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. We'll see you next week.